Hey everyone, Captain Kristen Beowulf, F-35A demo pilot. First maneuver we do during a high show routine is called a half achievement 8. It's intended to show the impressive maneuverability immediately after takeoff as the jet is pretty late. After accelerating for 350 knots, I pulled the nose to 60 degrees nose high, and then at 2,000 feet above the ground, I pulled the stick full aft to command maximum nose rotation over the top of the maneuver. As the jet is now pointing downhill, I roll upright again, completing half of the figure eight towards show center, which is why it's called a half achievement 8. Always a crowd pleaser, the pedal turn is one of the more impressive maneuvers that shows off the flight control system on the F-35. After pulling the nose to pure vertical, I pull the stick full aft and laterally left or right in the direction of the pedal turn. I simultaneously put full pedal in the direction of the turn as well, which commands yaw from the flight control computers. Based on those commands from the stick and pedal, the F-35's flight control logic determines the best combination of flight control surfaces to execute this high AOA and maximum yaw maneuver. The dedication is simply an arcing pass from crowd left to right or vice versa. Just below the speed of sound at 0.95 Mach and 300 feet above ground, it's the only pass that starts from behind the crowd. The dedication is meant to give the crowd the best view and pictures of the topside planform of the jet. And if we're lucky, depending on environmentals that day, it's one of the best passes to see tons of vape coming off the top of the aircraft. The opposing rolls pass consists of 3 360-degree aileron rolls and a straight and level pass in front of the crowd. Entering at 400 knots and 300 feet above ground, I pop the nose up slightly, execute an unloaded full lateral stick roll, ending upright after 360 degrees of roll. Immediately after, I reverse the roll in the other direction, and then finally one more roll in the opposite direction. Still one of my favorite maneuvers during the routine, the eye-to-eye or inverted-to-inverted pass is an upside-down pass straight and level in front of the crowd. Starting at 300 feet above ground, I pop the nose up slightly and then perform an unloaded roll until wings level inverted. I push the stick forward to maintain level flight inverted, which equates to -1 G, which means I'm hanging upside down in the seat straps. Just like it sounds, the high-speed pass is just below the speed of sound at 0.95 Mach, which is approximately 650 knots or 750 miles per hour. After passing the crowd, I pull the nose to pure vertical for the quick climb, rapidly decelerating to 150 knots and climbing over 10,000 feet in just a few seconds. One of the key characteristics of the F-35 is stealth. Depending on which type of mission we're flying, if we want to maintain our stealthy signature, we have all of the weapons inside the weapon bays. This pass simply gives the crowd a glimpse inside the weapons bays, which can each fit a 2,000-pound bomb and an air-to-air missile, the AMRAAM. For the square loop maneuver, we try to show the jet's rapid maneuvering capabilities while transcribing a square through the sky. Starting a loop in the pure vertical, I then pull the jet's nose over to hold inverted flight across the top. Again, pull the nose to pure vertical straight down. And finally, recover to level flight, completing the last side of the square.